The best 4K cameras can record cinematic footage in a range of scenarios. Whether you're creating video content for social or producing a full-length feature film, these cameras will help you capture results to impress your audience. The top models also offer a range of shooting and editing options to unleash your creativity. So which are the best 4K cameras for your project? Here is the 5 best 4K camera for video shooting. If you want to buy these products, check the description below. I will include the product link. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share and comment. Here is number 1, Sony ZDE10 mirrorless camera. An APS-C camera with the body of a premium compact, Sony ZDE10 is an affordable, video-focused hybrid that's a solid fit for 4K vloggers. Small and lightweight, it loses out on a viewfinder and flash, but does benefit from solid audio connectivity and a useful articulating touchscreen. Annoyingly, though, you can't use the touch interface to navigate the menu system. Noise handling can't compete with full-frame rivals, but the real kicker is the rolling shutter experienced when panning. This renders it largely unusable for run and gun videographers. But if you're happy to shoot handheld selfie vlogs or use a tripod, the ZDE10 is a great option, supported by a catalog of compact lenses. Number 2, Panasonic Lumix S1H video camera. Panasonic's Lumix S1H is the smallest, cheapest camera to make the list of cameras approved by Netflix for use in original productions, which is a measure of just how fantastic its motion picture skills are. Video quality is practically perfect in all conditions, with excellent noise performance thanks to dual native ISO. There's a staggering range of resolutions and frame rates to play with, from 6K/24p to 4K/60p, and every resolution is available with 10-bit color, which offers plenty of editing flexibility. It is big and heavy for a full-frame mirrorless camera, but that's partly to account for the silent fan and cooling vent, which eliminate recording time limitations. You can film flawless footage until the battery or storage runs out. Here is number 3, Panasonic Lumix S5 4K 60p video camera. Smaller and lighter than the Lumix GH6, yet equipped with a full-frame mirrorless sensor, the Panasonic Lumix S5 is a lesson in hybrid versatility. A delight to hold and control, its fully articulating touchscreen makes the S5 a fantastic videography tool. So, too, does the 24.2MP full-frame sensor, which is capable of capturing cropped 4K footage at 60p or uncropped 4K at 30p. It can also record 10-bit 4K internally. Add vlog, time-lapses, dual native ISO and anamorphic 4K into the mix, and the S5 shapes up as an impressive option for 4K filmmakers. A second battery is advisable for day-long shooting sessions, but the only real compromise is the use of micro HDMI over the full-size equivalent. Number 4, Panasonic Lumix GH6 4K video camera. Looking for a lightweight 4K camera with huge videography potential? The Panasonic Lumix GH6 is a micro 4/3 flagship for filmmakers first and foremost. More manageable in the hand than a full-frame heavyweight, we think that the GH6 benefits from superb handling and a thoughtful control layout. It features recording buttons front and rear, tally lights and a multi-angle touchscreen, all of which made for easy framing and shooting in our experience. We think its 25.2MP sensor and autofocus system are designed every bit with video in mind. If you need the fastest AF, other brands offer speedier systems, but the GH6's contrast-based autofocus still proved reliable in testing. All this in a package that weighs less than a kilogram and fits in a small camera bag. Number 5, Sony A74 mirrorless camera. Combining photographic power with video versatility, the Sony A74 sets a benchmark for mirrorless hybrids. Substantial by contemporary standards, it's overkill for most amateur videographers. You can find better value from dedicated 4K cameras, but the A74 still has serious video chops, with no recording limits, powerful autofocus and support for 10-bit recording. Why oversampling 4K/30p footage from the sensor's 7K resolution? The A74 produces sharp, noise-free results even at higher ISOs. Color graders also get flexibility from the 10-bit 4:2:2 option. There is a crop on 4K/60p video, and rolling shutter can warp verticals when panning. But if you want a camera that can shoot a convincing mix of stills and video, the A74 is a genuine all-rounder.